So this is the magic of a sling. It, as you can see, opens up, but that isn't open. I want to make sure that it's fully open like that with this metal part against this metal part. That allows the fabric to fully support the boat. As you can see on this boat that's currently in one, it provides a lot less force on the hull than any other method of supporting it. One thing to look out for when you're placing a boat in slings is making sure that the skeg, shown here, which is blending in with the tire, there we go, the skeg shown right in the middle of the screen, does not land on this because it can knock it off, and that's bad. Another thing is, if it's guts down, meaning the boat is upside down, this boat is currently guts up, you want to center the sling between either the backstay and the center part of the rigger, or these two parts of the rigger. If you have wing riggers, it doesn't usually get in the way, just make sure it's not on the wing rigger. As you can see, it's in the right position, it's just not guts down, so it doesn't matter. If it was guts down, the rigger would actually hug the sling, so you would know that that was